Hello dear children. In this video we will discuss the reading part of lesson number 2, that is Mix Up at Birth. I will read the chapter and hope you will copy the same fluency and pronunciation. So lesson 2 is Mix Up at Birth, which is an extract taken from an autobiography of Sunil Gavaskar, Sunny Days. So let us begin. Lesson 2, Mix Up at Birth. I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle, Mr. Narayan Masuvekar, had not come into my life the day I was born, July 10, 1949. It seems that Nankaka, as I call him, who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top of my left earlobe. The next day, he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to my mother. To his utter horror, he discovered that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. A frantic search was made, and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. The mix up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman working somewhere along the west coast. And what about the baby who, for a spell, took my place? I do not know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. So, this was lesson 2. Read the chapter in the same way, same fluency and pronunciation. Thank you so much. Have a good day.